Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Ellen here. Today I'm going to do a nighttime skincare routine and how I take my makeup off video. So obviously I am doing this as a voiceover, so I've just taken my lashes off. That is obviously the first thing I needed to do. And now I'm just getting some cotton pads ready. So the makeup remover that I use is by Mario Badescu. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's the Cucumber Makeup Remover Cream. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love this product. It is amazing for taking your makeup off and it doesn't have too much of a scent to it either. It's just a really subtle scent. Obviously it smells like cucumber. It's in the name, like, obviously. So I've just dotted that on my face and then I'm just going to sort of rub that into the skin. I mean, you can already tell, because yes, I was wearing a darker foundation than my skin tone, you can already tell that it's removing and sort of melting that product off the skin. Also, clearly I didn't try to look all pretty whilst I was removing this. I just went straight in, rubbing up my skin to get the makeup off. I just thought, you know what, there's no point trying to look pretty whilst I'm doing this because at the end of the video I'm going to look like a zero anyway, so what's the point? Anyway, so once I've done that, I obviously just washed my hands and then I've now got some damp cotton pads and I'm going to start using those to remove that product remove that product off of the skin. If you're wondering why I keep looking to the side during this video, it's because that's where the bathroom mirror is, so I had to just keep checking just to make sure I had all of the makeup off. Again, clearly not looking pretty whilst I'm doing this, clearly don't care. I'm just making sure I'm getting all of that product off of my skin, just with these cotton pads. One thing I will say is this eyeliner was a nightmare to get off. It did not want to budge, so if you're looking for a good eyeliner, I'd recommend the Krylon HD Cream Liner. They do it in many different colours. I've just got the white one on here, but it did not want to come off whatsoever. So, if you're wanting an eyeliner that doesn't budge, that's the one you need to get. But I just carry on doing this. I do use an eye makeup remover as well, which I will show you in a second, but I always like to go in first with just a normal makeup remover, just to get the bulk of the eye makeup off before I use an eye makeup remover. So this is the eye makeup remover I'm using. It is also by Mario Badescu and it's the Carnation Eye Makeup Remover Oil. So I like an oil-based makeup remover to remove my eye makeup. Obviously if you've got lash extensions, I would not advise using an oil-based makeup remover at all, but I don't have lash extensions. So I just put some of that on a cotton pad again, and then I'm just sort of using that in a downward motion on my eye to get whatever is left of the eye makeup on. It's always eyeliner and mascara, isn't it? That's like the worst to get off. It just does not want to come off whatsoever. So I'm just going back in now with the first makeup remover I used, the Cucumber Makeup Remover Cream. I just like to go in a second time with this just to make sure that I've got all of my makeup off. I don't want to leave anything behind. So that's the thing with using face wipes. As much as I'm sometimes a hypocrite because sometimes we'll use a face wipe, they're really not good for removing makeup. They hardly take any makeup off. They just push it more into your skin. So I always try and just go in a few times with the makeup remover just to obviously get all of it off. The amount of times that I'll do this process really just depends on how much makeup I am wearing, and obviously just keep making sure that you are throwing away any dirty cotton pads and getting some new ones out just to make sure you get it all off. So now that I've got my makeup off, I'm just going to cleanse my face, and I'm just going to use this product from Dermalogica. It's from their Clear Start collection, and it's the Blackhead Clearing Fizz Mask, sorry. So I'm just putting 3 pumps of that onto my hand, and I'm just going to massage that into my skin. The reason I held my finger up right then was basically trying to say that whenever I'm doing a cleanser, I always rub it into my skin for 1 minute. So I just count to 60 in my head, just so it can really obviously get to work and do what it needs to do. If you're just going to do it for about 10 seconds, what's the point? It's not going to do anything. So I spend about a minute actually fully rubbing that into my skin just so I can have the benefits of that. And then with this cleanser, fizz mask, whatever you want to call it, I do just leave it for a little bit just so it can do its thing and like fizz up. You will feel it tingling. Clearly I thought it's a good idea during this time to start pulling weird faces at the camera because I thought I was funny. But yeah, this fizz mask, whatever you want to call it, cleanser. It does sort of fizz and tingle on the skin. It's quite tickly, it's a strange feeling actually, and it does obviously start to foam up, and then after a while it doesn't foam anymore, and that's when you wash it off. But I got a little bit impatient and I wash it off a little bit earlier than normal. So now I'm going to go in with a face mask. This is from Glam Glow. It's the Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment Mask. So I'm just applying this with a old foundation brush that I never actually used, so I just kind of use it for face masks instead. So I'm just applying this all over. I have very dry skin and this is amazing for dry skin. So you can leave this product on for as long as you like. I think I only left it on for about 5 minutes on this video, and I don't use this every single night. Obviously it's just like a nice little treatment that I like to put on every so often. I don't use this every single night, but sometimes what I will do, instead of just leaving it on for 5 minutes, I'll actually sleep with this on. So you can actually do that. It will just completely soak into the skin. It's super hydrating and it just feels so good on the skin. Afterwards my skin just felt absolutely amazing. But like I said, today I thought, you know what, I'm not going to sleep in this face mask, so I'm just going to leave it on for 5 minutes and then I just took it off. So here's me removing it. I just got 2 damp cotton pads just to remove that off of the skin. Next I'm going to go in with a spot treatment. So this is from Garnier. It's just obviously drugstore. It's just an intensive night treatment, I think. I think that's what it's called. So I just use this, you would have seen me hold it up to the camera, it's just like a clear gel, and I just apply this to any problem areas. Obviously I've had quite a bad breakout and my skin's not looking too good right now, and I'm terrible because if I get a spot and I pop it, then I pick it and then it turns into a scab and it looks disgusting. But I just pop this on either any spots I've got or any problem areas because it's amazing for getting rid of spots. So next I'm now going to go in with my night cream. So this is also from Mario Badescu and it's the Bee Pollen Night Cream. So I just like to dot that over my skin and then sort of, well, massage it into my skin. I could not think of the word then. Massage it into my skin. So that's what I've just done there, and I absolutely love this product and I need to buy some more because I am running out. And then last but not least, I just like to put on a bit of lip balm. So this is the Carmex one. It really doesn't matter which one you put on. This is just the one I had to hand. And there we have it, all ready for bed. See you guys.